OVHcloud Public Cloud operates on the simple pay-as-you-go principle, meaning you only pay for the resources you use. You can choose hourly payment if your needs vary greatly, such as during test phases or short-term projects, or monthly payment as part of a more sustainable use of your instances. But in this case, there is an even more advantageous option than monthly billing. Called Savings Plan, this mode of operation is based on a simple principle: commitment. By signing up for a specific period, you can save up to 55% of the cost of your instance compared to hourly billing. This is an ideal solution if your cloud infrastructure is constant. This enables you to anticipate your spending, gain control over your budget, and save money in the long term. In practice, let's say you need 2 B313 instances each month. In this case, consider creating a savings plan with a 12-month subscription for these 2 instances. You will benefit from a preferential rate compared to the monthly billing. If during the month you do not use any resources, or only one instance, the savings plan price will not change. If you use more than 2 instances, then you will be billed by the hour for each additional instance. You can create a savings plan directly in the OVHcloud control panel within a public cloud project. Select the service, its quantity, the duration of your commitment, then confirm. The savings plan will automatically become valid and functional the next day at 1 second after midnight UTC. From then on, each existing instance linked to the savings plan configuration will be associated with it. In short, if your requirements are flexible, opt for hourly or monthly billing if your infrastructure load varies greatly. But if you're looking to optimize your costs for long-term, predictable usage of your instances, then savings plan is the right option for you.